Welcome to 711 Valley Commons Drive in the Commons on Lake Houston. If you're looking for a beautiful luxury estate just 30 minutes outside of Houston, Texas, here it is. This custom estate sits on 2 beautiful acres, perfect for horse lovers, boaters, anyone looking for a peaceful retreat in nature. Find the gourmet kitchen, a private study with built-ins, and an upstairs media room. Once entering this beautiful home, you'll find 11-foot ceilings, natural light filling the family room overlooking the oasis of a pool, a beautiful backyard, and a canopy of trees, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. See a spacious owner suite that opens to the pool. Outside in this community, you'll find roaming deer, 2 parks, holiday community festivals, and a sand beach on South Park. What you didn't expect is a newly built workshop, horse stalls, RV space, and private gated entry just minutes away from Highway 99. Luxury, space, and serenity, inside and out. DM me, Gaynell Blackshear, to come and see this one-of-a-kind estate. This is a warm, welcoming community where grandparents can leisurely stroll with their grandkids along scenic trails, keeping an eye out for graceful deer wandering nearby.